Hey guys, welcome back to another tech show video. Today I've got something that I have wanted for a long time. In fact, this is an LG V20 and I wanted one of these ever since I saw it when it was launched in 2016. But I've never owned one and I finally do, I think. I'm gonna go ahead and open this and tell you why I'm not sure if this is an LG V20 or not. Well, pretty much, I bought this off of eBay, and the seller claimed it is brand new. Now, if you don't know, there are a lot of brand new phones on eBay that are just fakes. So I'm hoping this is the real thing because I really don't want to have to bother with a fake. But now, if this is a fake, the seller is pretty confident that it's a good fake because they do accept returns and they even offer a 1-year warranty for this. So I'm gonna do my best to see if this is a fake or not. And if you guys could just tell me if you think it's a fake, because I have never owned one of these, so I can't compare it side by side to anything. So here's the box. I can't really say whether this is real or not because they can make some really convincing fakes. Now there is an IMEI number on the side. I'm gonna go right quick and check that to see if that belongs to an LG V20, because that's one of the first things. If you think you're being scammed and you think you bought a fake phone, you need to check the IMEI. And while it's checking, I do want to quickly apologize for the quick way this video was thrown together. The sound might not sound great, the lighting's not great. I just set this up right quick. I wasn't even planning to do this today, but anyway, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and check the IMEI, and maybe that'll give us an idea of whether this is real or not. So IMEI does check out, but of course, they could obviously have one real V20 and they're just stealing the IMEI and putting it on all their fake ones. So we're not safe yet. Alright, another way you can tell if it is fake pretty easily, it's by the accessories it comes with. Yeah. Correct me if I'm wrong, but the LG V20 probably wouldn't come in one of these little bags. I guess we'll see though. Now it could maybe be a real LG V20 that is refurbished and it's not actually really brand new. I'm gonna go ahead and call fake on this charger. I don't know if you can see that. The plastic is very poorly cut. It's not looking good so far. But honestly, I was kind of expecting this. Now, I guess the LG V20 came with earbuds. Were they some kind of special ones? If these are really real, those are so cheap. Yeah, so far I am not convinced this is totally real. Alright, let's go ahead, unwrap the battery, and unwrap the phone. Okay. Yeah. Give me a second. This back does feel pretty aluminum. It does have a metallic feel to it. Like I said, I have never used a V20, even though this is my dream phone. So I can't say. I can tell though this front does not look brand new. There's like scratches all over at least the screen protector. Let me make sure there's not. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the battery. I've got to say, if this is a fake, they've done a pretty good job. There's no super obvious signs that it is not real other than the packaging, I'd say. There was a lot of stuff in there that just didn't look right to me. But this is very cold to the touch. Like, yeah, I mean, I was kind of expecting if it were fake that it would have a very light and plasticky feel. But man, I would not even, I don't know. Maybe this is real. I don't know. Let me turn it on. Honestly, I'm not too worried about using a fake. If it's like so good you can't even tell the difference, like if it's a perfect reproduction, so far so good. I am not going to log this thing into Wi-Fi yet or sign into anything, because one of the signs that it's a fake is if it's slow, and I don't want it to go through all the updating and, you know, syncing notifications and stuff kind of thing. I want to first use it like and see, like, this looks so real. This screen quality, if this is not real, I would never guess. So far so good. I'm gonna go ahead and do a fingerprint setup, see if this works. That seems to have worked. Alright, we are in, and so far this is seeming very, very real. I am not detecting any slowness. Like, this just feels so real. And also you can check to see if like LG apps are on there, and I saw someone say the IR blaster is not going to be real if this is a fake. So far we've got the app. I'm just gonna right quick test that. That seems to work. The IR blaster does function. I know up to this point I have made this video pretty much all about trying to figure out if this is a scam, and I mean, you can't really blame me. I bought a brand new LG V20 on eBay. I was really expecting this to be fake. And I'm not saying there's not something fishy going on here, because there could be, like maybe cheap parts put together with a V20 board, something like that. But so far, I'm gonna say this is so good, I'm not too worried. The camera seems to be fine. All of the features I've tested. Yeah, I am really excited to use this thing, because like I said, this has been my dream phone for a long time, ever since it came out in 2016. I wanted one of these. I've never owned one of these. Maybe it's not the best phone ever. I don't really care. I was really skeptical at first, and if you guys spot anything that you think is fake that you want me to check out, please leave that in the comments below. This is not going to be a whole LG V20 review right here, because I am working on a lot of other videos right now. I just want to let you guys know that I bought this thing. If you guys want to see some more videos about it, I would be absolutely happy to make those. So yeah, please do drop video suggestions, comments, whatever, down below. So anyway, yeah, just a quick short video showing me unboxing it. I've got to go back to working on some other projects, but thanks so much for watching, guys. I appreciate everyone who subscribes, who comes here and watches these videos. It means a lot to me. Thank you, have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.